Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add Calendly in Framer. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, make sure that you are logged into your Calendly account, and once logged in, click on the website or the code that you want to add on Framer. Let's take this for example. Once you pick your choice, click on this button right here, and then on the drop-down menu, click on Add to Website. Then click on Inline Embed and continue. Calendly will now present the code that you can copy to your Framer. So, copy code. Now, we're going to log into our Framer account and we're going to go to the project that we want to add this code on. After that, we're going to go to the top left and click on this icon right here. And then we're going to search embed. Click here. And then we're going to scroll down. And right here, we're going to click on HTML. And then paste the code right here. And click on enter. And as you can see, the code that we just entered from Calendly is now here on our Framer website. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!